Warwick and Karen, our clients, Warwick loves everything very glamorous and Karen is much more organic. So we tried to marry the two different styles in this beautiful Gold Coast apartment. You can see on Warwick and Karen's storyboard, I wanted to give them that beautiful upmarket apartment feel that you could be in New York or anywhere, but to pay homage to the lovely coastline, the tropics of where we live. We gave them textures, we gave them grass wallpapers, the lovely shell lamp which evokes tropical places. We gave them a little bit of Bahamas. It was all about contrasts here. Karen is very organic and Warwick likes things very smart. So it was a nice melding. We used the different patterns of Bandhini, the handloom silks, beautiful herringbone, they're always going to be classic, teamed with the shell. So it gives you even more of a coastal feel, and I think this is a very elegant way of marrying tropical Bahama. So you'll see on the storyboard, the owner of this home is an avid art collector. He has this beautiful piece of Dreamtime art that he's had for many years. We just enrich that story by adding our ECAT cushions that give you the idea of the Dreamtime. So here at the back, to work in with the light colours that are in the painting already, and to accentuate the black, we've used the Bandhini Dreamtime cushion. It really tells the story of Dreamtime. Moving through to the master bedroom, we wanted things to look very tropical but very upmarket contemporary as well. We used lovely elements in here like the silk quilt, and we married it back with a linen headboard and linen cushions and a touch of velvet. Don't be frightened to mix your elements. They look so much better together than just silk everything or linen everything. Lovely patterns and strong features make everything look so incredibly beautiful.